Okay guys, how you doing? On the menu today we're going to make some stir-fried vegetables. As you can see, I've just finished that. Absolutely fantastic. You can use any vegetables you want. There are a few little essentials which I'll show you. Super easy, vegetarian, vegan, healthy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So this is what I'm using today. You can be using, like I say, anything you want. And what I've done is they're all roughly equal amounts, and you can play around with it as much as you want. So I've got some red cabbage, cauliflower, mushrooms, bell peppers, carrots, bean sprouts, some sugar snaps or some mange tout type beans, and I've got there some white cabbage. Celery and other vegetables, zucchini also work. Let's get to the cooker, super easy. Okay, so you're gonna need a frying pan or a wok or something like that. I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil, but later on I'm going to put a little bit of sesame seed oil in as well. If you put the sesame seed in now, it just burns off and you're just wasting it really. So what we're going to do is drop in nice hot oil, our onion, our ginger, and our garlic. So everything we're going to cook is on a maximum heat. Let's go for like just 2 minutes. Wonderful stuff. Now you need to start just adding your hardest vegetables first. In my case, it's my carrots, although I've cut them nice and thin, and my cauliflower. To that, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. Don't go crazy with the salt because we're going to be adding the soy sauce as well, which is salty, and I've got some black pepper here. 2 more minutes, high heat, keep it moving. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to go in with my white and my red cabbage. And again, 2 to 3 more minutes. Incredible aromas from that garlic and the ginger there. Now I like to keep my vegetables fairly crisp and chunky. In goes those bell peppers and those mange tout or sugar snaps or beans, whatever you've got. And I'm going for 2 more minutes. Now I'm going to add my last 2 vegetables, which are my mushrooms and my bean sprouts. 2 to 3 more minutes. Isn't this looking beautiful? So all of my vegetables are nice and crunchy still. That's where I like it. Cook it longer if you want. What we're going to do now is add a little bit of water, cold water. That's going to help just steam it just a little bit. The soy, optional, a little bit of chili flakes in there. Little bit of the sesame oil, which gives it a beautiful nutty flavour. And let's just go now for another 3 minutes or so, mixing that in. We're very, very nearly done. Great. Off goes the heat. I'm going to drop in those green onions, scallions, or spring onions, whatever you call them. Again, a little option, some sesame seeds in the mix. And there we go. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.